and welcome to Rose and Velvet Sisters. Today we have Kaylin, Crystal, and Thomas. Are you seriously? Are you guys?
Today we're gonna be doing hide and seek.
You literally said hide and seek.
Now, we will also be hiding this
Oh gosh. Oh my. Did you guys see that?
I didn't. Take that out! Take that out now!
No. Hey, I'd have to stop the video in order to take it out.
Amelia,
Would you rather that?
keep it in!
Okay. Here. Once I get to editing, I'll let you guys know if I chose to keep it out or in. Ooh, look at those love butts. I literally called you guys love butts. Dude. Oh yeah! Get in there, Kaylin. Oh no! Esme and Tom. What is going on? Hi, Thomas. Kaylin, did you seriously just throw that? What the heck, guys? I literally fell off the swing. What the heck is going on over here? Hi. Hi. We have a love situation. Funny.
Follow me!
What's going on? What's going on? Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh god. Sorry. Oh. Ow! Ow!
Did you guys just see that?
See what?
Watch this. Wait, I messed up.
Let's get it from the back. Back up, lovebirds. Whoa, good job, Kaylin.
No, because of Esme. I kissed him twice. No, you didn't.
Quit it, lovebirds. Or quit it, love butts.
Hey! Hey, you guys, did you guys see that smacking on the butt thing? That was cool, right?
Yeah. And I literally called Esme and Thomas love butts. Dude, Kaylin, I literally just called Esme and Thomas love butts.
Nice!
Here. Yeah. Quit it. Guys, you guys can just be the video.
Get this on. Is that on this on?
Yeah. Yeah, like a second of it.
Oh, it's on the video, yes! My nipples got shown on the video.
No. No, they weren't the nipples. Oh, yeah. Nice and close to the love butt. Oh, of course, using my jacket to protect. Of course, you have to use my jacket to protect you from the kisses of Esme.
Can I hold it now?
Are you serious, Esme? Dude, that scared me. You guys gotta be serious. Hold on. As I present the camera to you. Hopefully I did not accidentally say Amelia!
Today, it's going to be a fun day with those two lovebirds.
We love butts.
Okay. Okay, you guys, that was interesting. You didn't want to see that. That way, I turned the video. And now we're going to see if Amelia can do a cartwheel.
Dude, I literally just did it. I just have problems.
Amelia does a great cartwheel. Now we're going to look at the love butts. Oh, they're so cute, huh? They're so cute. They kissed on the bus one time. And also, okay, you guys, let's watch Amelia do that thing that she's doing. She did a great job of doing that. Now we'll look at Thomas. Is Esme's boyfriend.
Come here.
Do that again, Thomas.
Thomas, come here. Just pretend to get close to her and then back up. So you're pretending to kiss her.
Thomas just did a flip. Now we're going to watch Esme.
Help me.
Hi, Esme. How are you doing on the floor? Oh, let's see Amelia do a cartwheel.
Okay, I'm gonna bring you to Thomas.
My mistake. It's kind of like a cartwheel. That's why I said that. The two lovebirds are being annoying right now. Let's take a video of Miss Crystal here. How are you?
Call me Ella, please. I don't like that.
Okay, Crystal. Sorry, Ella. We're gonna take a video of Ella. How are you doing today, Ella? How are you today? Okay, I'm gonna look at the lovebirds real quick. Everybody's looking at the lovebirds. The lovebirds. The lovebirds. Let's look at Amelia doing the dab. Do the dab, Amelia.
Sorry. We're just run away from here. Don't do that.
Oh, God.
I got it.
Oh, God.
Thomas.
Your turn.
You asked for the camera, so I'm giving it to you. Okay, it looks like we have Ian now.
She was, so many times on the cheek.
And she kept giving me a break. And we got to have
Video.
Oh, by the way, I'm going to a parade on 4th of July. Here's Esme. She is whispering something into Ian's ear. And here's Kaylin listening. Here's Amelia going to go on the swing. Here's Crystal. And here's Kaylin trying to kiss Ian. Here's Kaylin trying to kiss Ian. Ian's running from her. Esme's trying to stop. And Crystal's trying to stop. And Amelia's going nothing right now.